for the sake of those who don't come to class, okay? Muk ni siapa yang tak hadir Muk ni? Muk ni busy writing. What is he writing? Oh, Yuga. Yuga and?
Akap je lah.
That's why.
Oh gosh.
Okay, never mind. I can only make out Yuga. Okay, let's look at Mungni and Naim's answer. Is the structural formula correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct,
Yes,
yeah?
sir.
All right, but I also want you to name it for me. Can you please name this for teacher?
Propane.
Okay, very good. I have got 3 carbons, so it's called prop, and it is going to end with A and E. Propane. Excellent. Okay, next one, I'm not helping you. Okay. Sorry. Okay, Mungni, please take away your bahan-bahan there. Thank you, Mugni. Okay, same thing. Now write the molecular formula and structural formula of the name of the alkene. Remember, it's alkene with 3 carbon atoms. Do you remember the general formula?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The rest of you, do you all remember?
Yes, Chair.
Okay. Try it out. Try to focus, try to concentrate. I know it's difficult, also becoming 1 o'clock, hungry already. Okay, if you're having your phones, if you're using laptop to study, throw the phone away. If you're using the phone to study for class, don't throw your phone away. Okay, you can do this. You all have the energy and the strength. Just a bit more, half an hour only, okay? Stay strong. Are you all still writing the answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is SAA and CLU?
Oh, that was
Interact club,
hard
sir.
to
Saya lupa
interact.
nak kata nama.
Yes. It's okay. Girls, are you all okay, girls? Shira, Munira, Aimi, Durga, Shivani, Irina, Swenjaline,
Yes, Chair.
Nikki, boys, Weng Liang, Haris, Shaimi, all okay?
Yes, sure.
Okay, let's start with the general formula. Okay, I have the name list here. Let me call names. Okay, Nikki, answer for me the general formula. I hope when I call your names, you all are ready, okay? Nikki?
CN
Okay,
H2N.
okay, correct.
And then N is 2, 3, ...
2, 3, 4. Must have 3 numbers, ... Very good. Okay, good job, Nikki. Okay, now I go to a guy. What is my... Okay, this one, did you put FG? What is FG? It's not, I don't know how, ABCD, yeah? It's functional group. Okay, what's the functional group in alkenes?
Double bond between carbon atoms.
Correct. Or you can also say carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, carbon-carbon double bond. The answer that potassium gave is also correct. Okay, now move on. Let me choose. How do you all call Muhammad? Yeah, how do you all call him? I can never get it.
Oh,
Okay, okay. More answer for me. More. The molecular formula.
Teacher, is it C3H6?
Okay, correct. Very good. C3H6. I hope. Okay, never mind. Okay, then go to the structural formula. Okay, someone that can annotate my screen can do the structural formula. Mugni, not you, huh? I know you're Superman and you can be everywhere, but give others a chance. See, I just told him, not him, and then he's busybody. Okay, I will choose another person. Neela, can you tell me what is the name of this C3H6? The name. Neela?
Teacher, wait, thinking.
Okay, it's divided into two. Okay, the front name is by how many carbons? The back name is which homologous series it is. Which homologous series it is? It's in alkene, right? So I take the back part of alkene. What's the back part of alkene?
Teacher, I don't know.
That's okay. Thank you for being very honest. Let's try this again. I'll do the structural formula. Okay. C3. Oh, can you see the mistake teacher made already? Anyone saw the mistake I made?
Double bond.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so I must have a double bond. Thank you, Shahimi, for helping me. Now we got a triple bond ready. Okay, so, okay, let me draw for you. Okay, let me just get an eraser. I'll draw for you, then you get Shahimi. Okay. Okay, I want to do carbon by carbon. So I'm doing the carbon on my left first. Okay, this carbon, I told you carbon must have 4 bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now look, I'm doing the carbon in the middle. Okay, if you look at the carbon in the middle, I already have 1, I already have 2, I already have 3. How many more bonds do I need to make it 4? One more bond. So I can either put it on top or no problem, teacher can also put it at the bottom. It doesn't matter. So you look at the carbon in the middle here. Okay, check whether my carbon have 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you understand what teacher just did?
Yes,
Sir.
teacher.
Okay, I look at my carbon on my furthest right. It must also have 4 bonds. Okay, I also have 1, 2. How many more bonds do I need?
2.
Okay, 2
Two
more bonds. I do hydrogen here, hydrogen here. All of you count. Does my drawing meet up with C3H6? Check the carbons. Okay, therefore my answer is correct. Now let's help Neela. Anybody who wants to help Neela with the naming?
Can I try?
Can I try, sir? Okay,
Go
give me a
ahead.
minute.
Heyman.
Go Harish.
Okay, Haris, go ahead.
Because it's 3 carbons, so prop,
Very good.
And
I got
then-
3 carbons, so prop, yes.
and then because it's in the alkene group, so E and E at the back.
Very good.
So prop 2.
Very good. Because I've got E and E. Sorry, because it's alkene. How do I know it's alkene? I have a double bond here. That's why I put E and E at the back. Okay, is everybody clear here?
Yeah, teacher.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so I am going to skip the next question. I am now going to go to straight away alkanes. So at least you can understand better. Okay, I'm going to go faster. So in alkanes, okay, where I taught you yesterday, but I'm asking you again, where can I find alkanes? Or any sorts of alkanes? Where?
Petroleum.
Okay, I can find it in petroleum. How about not the product before using, but after using it? Where can I find alkanes? Or where do I use alkanes in? That's a better question.
Is it fuel, sir?
Okay, I can use it in fuel some more.
Okay.
Cake. Did someone say cake?
No. I said okay.
Okay. If you notice wax, okay, wax are also made of alkanes, yeah, correct. Okay, so Mungni got the correct answer also there. It's from also on wax. Okay. Now, if alkene, there's now potassium said the functional group is carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, for alkanes, because it's all single, so their functional group is called carbon-carbon single bond. Okay, and the general formula which I went through with you, CnH2n plus 2, N is equals to 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the first 4 members. How did I get the first 4 members? Very simple. I put carbon is equals to 1 into here, I get methane. I put carbon, N is equals to 2, I get ethane. N is equals to 3, I get propane. And N is equals to 4, I get butane. Okay, what is your work? This is your work. You're going to do it now. Huh? I'm going to give you 3 minutes to do it. Okay? I want you to write down the name for me, the molecular formula for me, the structural formula for me, from carbon 1 until carbon 10. Did you hear what teacher just said?
Sadly, yes, sir.
Yes.
Hey, if I had physical class, you will also be doing this, okay? All right. So I am going to stop sharing. Okay, quickly write down the first 2, give you an idea. Okay? Give you an idea, at least you know what you are supposed to do. You're going to do it for all. I'm going to do alkene, I'm going to do alcohol. Each of it you're going to write like this. Sakit tangan hari ni. Padan muka. Okay, have you gotten it already? Name, molecular formula, and structural formula?
No.
Yes, sir.
No.
Okay. Now I'm very
Handsome.
Thank you.
all right. Stop sharing. Okay, go. Start now. I want to see your faces, all of you, cameras, for me to look at you doing your work. On, huh? I want to see everyone to make sure you are exactly on your table doing and writing. Thank you. Okay, you've got 2 minutes. So for carbon 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kalau penat, don't need to put the hydrogens, just put the bonds only. Do you understand what I'm saying? Let me look at teacher here. Put carbon, let's put bond, bond, bond. So that you don't waste time writing hydrogen, hydrogen, wasting time. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. Go ahead. It's 1:12 now. There's a reason why I'm making you write. Okay? Because it's good for you. Like your mom will say, like, take fish, take these vitamins. Huh? Take, what else your mom asked you to take? Go and sleep early. Some of you, I still can't see your faces. Nikki, Farah, Hanif, Farisha, Yuga, Siddharth, Munira, Tanintra, Naim. Let me see your faces, please. Correct, Mo, right? Like mowing the lawn like that.
Like MO teacher, how you say MO?
Mo,
Mo.
okay. Mo,
Teacher, is it alkene je?
for now, yes.
Alright.
Farisha, Farah, Yuga. Yuga, why so late, Yuga? You are supposed to write down the structural formula molecular formula, and the name of carbon from 1 to 10.
Thank you, Chair.
No worries. You understand or not, Heyman? Do you need an example?
I don't think so. I think I understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Hainan?
For number 9,
Mhm.
for like carbon 9, no name.
Yeah, no name.
All right.
Finally, your pen is put to great use, yeah? Finally using a lot. Okay, it's past the minutes already. Can I continue so we don't waste time? But I think you all get the picture, right? You all know what to do, kan? Okay, so I just share with you my screen so you can check your answers. See whether you are on track or not on track, yeah? So this was what you were supposed to do, okay? Except that you didn't have to write down the hydrogens, okay? Is that okay? Can teacher move on to alkenes now?
Yeah, Chair.
Yes,
Okay.
Chair.
Thank you. Now, do you know where we use alkenes, roughly? Like, have you ever thought about alkenes?
No, Chair.
Okay, so I found this very interesting. Hang on. I need to wait. Okay, you can. I need to add the sound first. Hang on. What you keep on writing while teacher go and add on the sound for you all to watch this. Sorry, yeah, I forgot about the sound. Still loading. Okay, ethene and ethylene is the same. Can you hear? Can you see? Still loading.
Hey, have you heard what
Can
happened
you
to
hear?
Fred?
Anshu?
No, what
Yes,
happened?
sir.
Yeah.
Can hear but cannot see the
Yeah, Chair.
I think cannot. I'm so sorry. I think it's loading very badly.
Got exposed to ethylene gas.
Can you all hear?
Can hear but cannot see video.
Can you all see the video class?
Cannot.
No,
The video cannot, Chair.
Okay, wait. What did I do?
It was still showing a slide just now.
Okay, let's see this now. Can you see it now? Can you see banana?
Oh
yes,
yeah,
sir.
banana.
Yeah.
Okay. Ethylene is ethene, yeah?
Hey, have you heard what happened to Fred?
No, what happened?
He got exposed to ethylene gas.
What is ethylene gas?
Ethylene gas is a colorless flammable gas C2H4 having a sweet, unpleasant odor and taste. The first member of the ethylene series, usually obtained from petroleum and natural gas, uses an agent to improve the color of citrus fruits in the synthesis of polyethylene, ethylene dibromide, ethylene oxide, and other organic compounds in the medicine, chiefly as an inhalation anesthetic.
You.
What does that mean?
It means fruit ripens faster.
What? That's terrible.
I know, it's so awful. I heard it's contagious too.
Wait, so does that mean if Fred is standing right behind you, you'll get it too?
What? Ah! Nope!
Quick, hide in his bag! We'll be safe in here.
Okay.
Very laggy.
Is it? Y'all couldn't hear.
Can hear, but the moving very laggy.
Okay, but did you understand what y'all just saw?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
what causes fruits to ripe?
Ethylene gas.
Okay, ethylene gas, yeah. So if you want something to ripe faster, you actually put them next to apples, pears, bananas. Okay, if you go to any go to the grocery store, you will see that they will not put vegetables or anything near apples, pears, and bananas. Go and check this out. Okay, so even teacher also didn't realize that until teacher watched this. Okay, so ethylene gas is the one that causes bananas to ripen very fast. Okay, all right, teacher will share back my screen. Okay, what's the functional group of a alkenes?
CC double bond.
Okay, correct. Okay, CC double bond. Okay, or double bond between carbon atoms. My general formula. Okay, just now alkenes was CnH2n plus 2. Okay, but here it is just CnH2n. Why must my N start with 2? Who can tell teacher? Why N cannot start with 1?
Sure, because double bond.
2 times
Double
1
bond.
is 1. Eh? No.
2 times 1 is 1. Okay, maths teacher who? Okay, no problem. Okay, actually it's very simple. If C1 H2, how can I get a carbon-carbon double bond, right? I must have 2 carbons. That's why it must start with, that's why I must start with C2H4. Okay, and ethene is very simple. The hydrogen will always be the double of the carbon. So C3H6, C4H8, C5H10. Okay, now same thing, this will be your homework. Can you see what you are doing for alkane? Can you do the same thing for alkene?
Can, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll just do one with you, yeah? So for N is equals to 2, okay, I will get C2H4. So then you are going to draw C double bond C, H, 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 H. Okay, that's all I want from you. Is that possible? So you go and do for me until N is equals to 10. Okay, this is your homework. Everybody clear about that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now teacher's going to go to something new, but it's also very, very fast, very simple. Okay, it's called alkyne. Alkane, single bond. Alkene, double bond. Alkyne is a triple bond. Okay, my functional group is the triple bond between the carbon atoms. So C, triple bond C. I'm going to draw it out for you here. Remember, one carbon must always have 4 wives. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wives. The next carbon here must have 4 wives. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it meets the criteria. Okay, so look at the general formula. Now let's look at the general formula. It says Cn H2n minus 2, where n is equals to 2, 3. Okay, and it goes dot, dot, dot. Okay, so let me try it out for you. I put C2, H2n will be what? H4, isn't it?
Yes.
sir.
Okay, then minus 2.
C2H2.
Okay, correct. C2H2. Okay, why does it say like that? So let me draw it for you. C2, and I only have 2 hydrogens because I've got a triple bond in the middle. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How do I name this? How do I name this? Same like how all I name. Start with the how many carbons? How many carbons is this?
2.
2 carbons is what?
H.
F.
Okay, correct. F. And then if alkane, I take A and E. If alkene, I take E and E. If alkyne, I take
Y and
Y
E.
and E. So ethyne. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. For this one, you do only for me the first 6 members. Okay. So n is equals to 1 until n is equal to 6. Okay. Same thing. I want my molecular formula and my structural formula. Okay. Are you all tired already? You think you can take some more? I think cannot already, right? Because the next 2 is alcohol and carboxylic acid. Is it enough?
Yes, sir, enough, sir.
Yes, teacher, yes, teacher, yes, teacher.
I should not give you an option, right?
But only teacher.
Okay, it's okay. I think it's enough also as well. So I just want to go through with you. All eyes on teacher.
Why teacher laughing?
I just saw what Brandy wrote. Do you think they still ate the fruit even after they drew on it? Brandy. Okay, all right. What's my general formula for alkanes? Angkat tangan. Oh, Cikgu Fadli angkat tangan. Anyone?
Yeah, alkane or alkene, teacher?
Alkanes. Alkanes.
Can I try, sir?
Yes, Arina, go ahead.
Oh, sorry.
go,
Human,
go.
you want?
Go.
CH2N plus 2. CN
Yes.
to H2N plus 2.
N is equals to?
N equals to 1, 2, 3.
Okay. What is my, very good, Irina. Good job there. What is my functional group? She gave me my general formula. What's my functional group? I would like many people to try.
Teacher, me.
Yes, Siddharth, go ahead.
Carbon, single bond.
Very good. Carbon, single bond. Okay, my third question is, what is my functional group for alkenes?
Me.
Yes, go ahead, Heyman.
Carbon, double bond.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. And what is my general formula for alkenes?
C2H4.
Naim. Tembak baru tahu.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Okay.
That's not general formula.
CnH2n.
CnH2n. N is equals to what, Aimi?
2, 3, 4.
Very good, Aimi. Very good. Okay, last one. Okay, last one. What is my general formula for alkynes?
Me.
Okay.
Teacher.
Call Misha. Okay, yes.
Oh. CnH2n minus 2.
N is equals to?
1, 2, 3, ...
Kepala otak. ...
Raja. 3, 2, 3.
2, 3. Yes. Okay, correct. Okay. And my functional group. Last one.
Carbon, hydrogen, CCHH.
Naim, functional group must have specific name. Yes, Brandy, go.
Carbon, triple bond.
Okay, carbon, triple bond. Perfect, correct. I forgot to select a person to write summary. Zahir, because you did yesterday, you can select one person now.
Haris.
Okay, Haris, my next class, you can select the next person and it goes on and on and on, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Haris, can you please take a photo for the whole class and then you can go for your BM.
Okay, everybody smile. Okay, now y'all can.
You took
Wait for all.
both pages?
No, teacher, one page only. One page only. One page.
You make sure got one page, ah. Cannot lah, must be 2 pages.
Only one page. Okay, teacher. 1 minute, teacher. Okay, now second page. Smile.
Keep on
Okay,
smiling. We don't
done.
know which page. Alamak, I was talking.
Done, teacher.
Okay,
No, teacher, don't, teacher. Not second page.
all right. The days where I don't have chemistry with you, I will give you your PowerPoint and your Google Forms, okay? So today and yesterday, no PowerPoint, Google Form. Other days got PowerPoint and Google Form.
Okay.
Teacher.
Happy Thursday, children. Have a good day. Love you all.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye. See you all.
teacher.
Bye-bye. I'm going to leave here because I want to go back. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Ada.
Oh boy.
Bye-bye. Take care.